The major oil companies are finally planning the kind of large-scale investments that would make green hydrogen a serious business. They're chasing a very particular vision of a low-carbon future, multibillion-dollar developments that generate vast concentrations of renewable electricity, and convert it into chemicals, or clean fuels that can be shipped around the world to power trucks, ships, or even airplanes. BP plc is taking the lead in the $36 billion Asian Renewable Energy Hub, a project that aims to install 26 gigawatts of solar and wind farms over a vast 6,500 square kilometre stretch of Western Australia's Pilbara region, and use the electricity generated to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Once fully developed, each year it would produce about 1.6 million tons of green hydrogen or 9 million tons of ammonia, which can be used to make fertilizer. TotalEnergies SE has joined Indian billionaire Gautam Adani's conglomerate in a venture that has the ambition to invest as much as $50 billion over the next 10 years in green hydrogen. An initial investment of $5 billion will develop 4 gigawatts of wind and solar capacity, about half of which will feed electrolyzers producing hydrogen used to manufacture ammonia. The venture could expand to 1 million tons of annual green hydrogen production by 2030, driven by 30 gigawatts of clean power. Shell plc is looking for a place where there are sufficient wind and solar resources for a large-scale project that would play to its strengths. U.S. giant Chevron Corp is ready to spend billions on a mixture of green and blue hydrogen, which uses a chemical reaction to split natural gas and capture and store carbon dioxide. Smaller players in the oil market are also getting involved, with Trafigura looking at a number of mid-size green hydrogen projects, such as a 440-megawatt development near Adelaide, Australia. Until recently, the majors' hydrogen plans have been modest. BP is developing an electrolyzer at its Lingen refinery in Germany and its Castellón plant in Spain, making green hydrogen for use in those facilities. Shell started up a 10-megawatt plant producing hydrogen for its Rhineland refinery in Germany last year and already has plans to expand its capacity. For green hydrogen, one of the key attributes is having very competitive renewable energy resources. For example, BP has gone to Australia because you've got a lot of sun. The average size of a green hydrogen electrolyzer is 3 to 4 megawatts. That should increase by 20 times by 2025, leaving a lot of groundwork still to be done for gigawatt-scale developments.